to the first Legacy Coffee Tech video. We're really excited to kick things off with something special. Today we're going to be unboxing and introducing the new Marzocco Strada S. And this is it. This is the new Marzocco Strada S. This machine will be receiving some really nice customization, and we're really excited to take you through the process. So we're going to show you how we disassemble the machine, how we make custom parts for it, and putting it back together. While we're doing all this, we're also going to take you through the inside of the machine. So because this is a new version of the outgoing Strada, getting into it is a little bit different than it used to be. So since we have to take it apart, we might as well just take you on this trip with us. And this is what's in the box. Obviously you get your espresso machine, accessories, external motor and pump, drip trays on the back, and something really cool that's always been exclusive to the Strada are these porcelain espresso cups. They're branded with the Strada logo on them. We would really love a set. Marzocco, hey. In the accessory box, you get your portafilters, tamper, clean detergent. Just like the previous version Strada, you get your precision baskets, water test kits, user manual, English, Spanish. And this accessory over here, a lot of people don't realize what it's for. So this is so you can drain your coffee boilers. This fitting threads into the shutoff valve on the coffee boiler. You pop in the hose into the fitting, goes into the drain, open the shutoff valve, and then you're able to drain your coffee boiler. So here are some of the changes on the barista side. You'll see the updated touchpad surround. The gauges are now flush. There's no longer any chrome. You still have your cool touch steam wands. Now you have updated steam knobs. You have these really nice chrome handles. The hot water mix is still here. And you have an updated power switch. Some of the updates on the back end, you'll see that now the drip tray is now floating over the rear for a really sleek design. You'll notice the Wi-Fi module for the Marzocco IoT connectivity. And you'll see that the machine still retains its low profile. This is an important feature that was part of the original Strada. This allows the barista and the client to maintain good communication, good vision with each other, and just to have that overall really nice interaction when you're receiving your drink at your favorite cafe. Thank you for checking out our very first video. The next time you see this machine, it'll start to look a lot like this. See you in the next one.